Welcome to the GREENE 4.0 podcast, where we explore the future of sustainable innovation and digital transformation in European manufacturing. Today, we are diving into the GREENE 4.0 Innovation Contest, a powerful initiative supporting startups and small and medium enterprises on the journey toward greener and smarter production. Joining us today from the Intellimech consortium from Italy are Elena Mossali, Funded Project Manager, and Annalisa Giavarini, Communication Specialist. Welcome, Elena and Annalisa.
Thank you, Martina. It's great to be here and to share our journey with the GREENE project.
Hi, Martina. Thank you for having us. We are excited to talk about how this contest can really empower innovators and strengthen the manufacturing ecosystem.
Let's start with your inputs and your personal experience. Can you explain in a few words what the GREENE 4.0 is all about and how has the GREENE 4.0 project unfolded for you so far?
Of course. GREENE is a European project co-founded by Interreg Central Europe that focuses on helping the manufacturing sector tackle two major challenges: supply chain disruptions and the urgent need to transition to more sustainable digital value chains. It brings together 9 partners from 7 countries to create a collaborative ecosystem that fosters green innovation through tools like the Green Innovation Platform and open innovation methodologies. From our side at Intellimech, it's been a truly valuable experience, especially at the local level here in Italy. Being part of this transnational initiative has allowed us to strengthen our regional innovation ecosystem, involving local SMEs, startups, and research actors in concrete discussions about green and digital transformation.
Yes, Annalisa explained the context really well, but to add something more from my side, one of the main impactful aspects of GREENE is its strong cross-border dimension. We are all working to strengthen our local ecosystem, it's our business mission, but projects like these allow to do the following step, to connect these efforts across regions and countries. So, what we're really building is a shared innovation space across Central Europe. With 9 partners from 7 countries, GREENE enables us to exchange knowledge, align strategies, and co-develop solutions that are both scalable and transferable. And this kind of cooperation helps avoid fragmentation and allows good practices and technologies to flow across borders. For us as Intellimech, it's been inspiring to see how the different regions approach the digital and green challenges. And while the impact is easily visible at the local level, the broader European perspective is what makes it transformative, because we are not just solving problems for one region, but we are helping shape a new, greener industrial model for all of Central Europe.
That's very inspiring. So let's get into the details. What exactly is the Green Innovation Contest?
Of course, the contest is just one of the activities of GREENE project, and the objective is to connect industries looking for green and digital transformation tools and technologies with innovative solution providers.
Yes, and what's really important is that this contest is about matching real industrial needs with innovative technologies, from energy efficiency and AI to robotics and sustainable materials. It's about turning good ideas into scalable, impactful solutions.
And who is eligible to participate?
Yeah, the contest is open to startups, small and medium enterprises, universities, and even individuals. But they should come from one of the 7 eligible countries that are Slovenia, Germany, Czech Republic, Hungary, Italy, Austria, and Poland. Participants must offer solutions in the fields of digital transformation or green economy, and these solutions should be applicable to manufacturing sectors like electronics, food and beverage, pharmaceuticals, metals, plastics, machinery, and more.
Yeah, very, very clear. Let's give companies a concrete example. What are the key challenges they need to face, and what aspects are particularly relevant for the project, especially for those considering submitting an application?
Okay, consider that there are 6 areas covered by the innovation contest, focused on green or digital technologies. So let's imagine that I'm a startup dealing with the recycling of composite materials. I will go through the waste reduction and sustainable technologies area, and I will check if there is an associated challenge that my company could help to overcome. If the answer is yes, the hardest part is behind me. I just need to present my solution applying to the contest. If my application will be successful, the small and medium enterprise facing the challenge will be matched with me, and I will start working and implementing my solution in its specific case. That's all.
Very clear. Can you walk us through the application and evaluation process?
Sure, it's very simple, just few clicks. The proponent will submit the application via an online Microsoft form and provides a series of information. The form will ask, for example, for organizational data of the proponent, a description of the innovative solution and its applicability, the maturity level of the technology, the return of investments and costs, and so on. It's really short to compile and worthy.
And once submitted, each application goes through 2 evaluation stages. First, a formal check by consortium partners to make sure all criteria are met. Then, a more in-depth evaluation by an innovation expert panel made up of experts from different organizations, including private investors and academia. The maximum combined score is 57 points. The best rated proposal will be selected for the support phase.
Speaking of support, what do winners actually receive?
Winners will gain access to the B2Green Hub platform, which connects them directly with manufacturing companies and facilitate collaboration with technology seekers. The platform supports the match between innovative solutions and concrete industry needs in the field of digitalization and green transformation. But that's not all. They also receive mentoring, consulting, testing opportunities, and invitation to workshop and networking events. And at the end of the project, the solution will be published on the platform as best practice, increasing your visibility in Europe. A great opportunity.
Yes, if I may add, the available support you will receive is customized. Depending on the maturity of the solution, participants may be selected for one of the 3 innovation programs. The first is the proof of concept support for lower technology readiness level technologies. The second is the minimal viable product development for the intermediate ones. And the third is the market readiness to help higher TRL solution to prepare for investors and commercialization. So it's very hands-on and tailored.
That's really comprehensive. And where can interested participants find more information or even apply actually?
Yeah, everything is available on the B2Green Hub platform. There, applicants can find the full guidelines, check their eligibility and submit the online form. If they have questions, they can always reach out to us or any of the consortium partners. We are here to help them navigate the process.
Before we close, do you have any advice for innovators who are thinking about applying?
In my opinion, the most important tip is to remain focused on the challenge you are addressing. Make sure your solution fits with one of the contest goals and be ready to show how your tech can be implemented in the real world. Keep the proposal clear and impactful.
And don't be afraid to apply, even if your technology is still early stage. The Green Innovation Contest is not just about having a final product, it's about potential and collaboration. The admitted TRL is from 2 to 6. Just be prepared to grow.
That's wonderful advice. Thank you both so much for joining us and sharing these valuable insights into the Green Innovation Contest. And to our listeners, the deadline for the presentation of a proposal is the 31st of May 2025, and the successful projects will run from July to October this year. If you are working on a sustainable or digital innovation, don't miss this opportunity.